Welcome to the online public involvement meeting for Project Design ID 1016-05-00 along I-9094 in Juneau County. The project will reconstruct the interchange of I-9094 and WIS 82 on the east side of Mauston. This is the second of two public involvement meetings for the design portion of this project. The first public involvement meeting was a meeting at the Mauston City Hall on December 14, 2017. This current public involvement meeting will present the final layout elements and current project status. Phase 1 of the construction is currently underway under WIS.Construction Construction ID 1016-05-80, building the I-9094 median temporary roadway and structures. The subsequent phases, currently in final design stage, will construct the permanent new interchange roadway, pavement, and structures under WIS.Construction ID 1016-05-70. To access the project details, please go to the website indicated on this slide, then click on the subsequent folders as indicated on the left side of the slide. On this project site, you will find a copy of this presentation, an overview exhibit showing the limits of this project with notes, and a comment sheet to download. Please use the comment sheet to send us your input or contact us by phone or email. The project personnel contact information is provided at the end of this presentation. The presentation will follow the outline of topics shown here: the project location, purpose and need, planned improvements, traffic impacts, schedule, and project team and contact information. First, we will discuss the project location and background. The limits of the mainline I-9094 work are as shown above, from approximately the County G Sherman Street bridges on the west end to just past the Lemon Rear River bridges on the east end. We are using the west to east directions when referring to the mainline I-9094 work, as this is the predominant overall direction of the interstate highway. The project will also reconstruct WIS 82 underneath the interstate overpass. The limits of this work are also shown above, from the east side of Kennedy Street intersection at Quick Trip to the Powers Avenue intersection. The purpose of this project is to address operational, roadway, and safety deficiencies of the WIS 82 interchange with I-9094. The need is to increase WIS 82 interchange capacity, improve pavement conditions on I-9094 and WIS 82, address substandard and deteriorating bridge structures, and improve safety on I-9094 and at the WIS 82 interchange. Next, we will present the proposed improvements. The mainline I-9094 ramps will be reconstructed and roundabout constructed at the ramp terminal intersections. The bridges over the Lemon Rear River, WIS 82, and westbound County G will be replaced. WIS 82 will be reconstructed between Kennedy Street and Commercial Street with modified lane configurations. Between Commercial Street and Powers Avenue, the pavement will be resurfaced. Specifically, on mainline I-9094, the pavement lanes will be replaced with new concrete pavement on an improved vertical alignment that will allow for increased vertical clearance under the WIS 82 overpass. The existing 4-lane configuration, 2 lanes in each direction, will be retained in the finished project. The 2 WIS 82 bridges, the 2 Lemon Rear River bridges, and the westbound County G bridge will be replaced with new bridges. The eastbound County G bridge will receive a concrete deck overlay on its driving surface to extend the surface life of this bridge. To meet current geometric safety standards, the ramps will be lengthened, which will allow more length for vehicles to gain or reduce speed, and for more room to queue for the ramp terminal intersections. As mentioned previously, the ramp terminal intersections at WIS 82 will be roundabouts. The WIS 82 roadway will be improved with new concrete pavement from the east side of Kennedy Street intersection to the east side of the Commercial Street intersection. The section of WIS 82 between Commercial Street and Powers Avenue will be milled and overlaid with new asphaltic surface. The existing 2 lanes in each direction on WIS 82 will replace with 2 lanes outside the ramp terminal intersection. East of I-90, 1 lane will be a through traffic lane. The other lane will accommodate turning movements and additional turning queue storage capacity. The roundabouts themselves and the roadway between the roundabouts under the WIS 82 bridges will accommodate the single through lane. The configuration meets existing and design year forecasted traffic needs for through traffic and turning traffic on WIS 82. This slide shows a closer view of the finished lane configuration along WIS 82 along each side of the ramp terminals. As you can see, access to the adjacent driveways will be retained with queue storage, capacity for left turn movements. For eastbound WIS 82 traffic, the median opening at the north driveway between the roundabout and Commercial Street will be left in only for safety of the driveway users. The driveway users making a left turn out of this driveway will turn right, then drive around the roundabout as a U-turn, then go east on WIS 82. The Commercial Street intersection will be replaced with a similar stop sign control as existing. The eastbound and westbound turn lanes on WIS 82 for this intersection will be improved to line up from each other. This will improve sight lines for left-turning vehicles to see oncoming through traffic, which should increase safety for these movements. Sidewalks will be replaced in the immediate vicinity of the ramp terminals and out of the bridges and will match into existing sidewalks on each side. The proposed work will mainly be contained within existing right-of-way of I-90/94 and WIS 82. There will be some strips of additional right-of-way needed, mainly along the ramp areas for the improved geometric configuration. The real estate acquisition process has begun and landowners from which parcels are involved have been contacted. If you are a landowner that has not been contacted at this time, then your property is not anticipated to be impacted. During construction operations, 4 lanes of traffic will be maintained on I-90/94 for the majority of the project duration, that is, 2 lanes in each direction. In order to do this, temporary roadway and temporary bridge structures located within the I-90/94 median are being constructed at this time, in 2021, under a separate LET Phase 1 Project ID 1016-05-80. During isolated short-term periods, mainline traffic on I-90/94 will be reduced to 1 lane in each direction using nighttime lane closures. This will be required at times, mainly for the installation and removal of the median temporary roadway and structures. For the WIS 82 traffic control between Kennedy Street and Powers Avenue, the construction will be performed in stages while maintaining at least 1 lane in each direction during almost the entire duration. In the area east of the East Ramp terminal intersection through Commercial Street, staging will be maintained 2 lanes in each direction during almost the entire duration. The WIS 82 work is planned to start in 2022 and to be mostly completed in 2022. There will be several short-term nighttime closures of WIS 82 required for safety under the bridges. During these isolated nighttime periods, a detour will route traffic up the adjacent ramp towards the next interstate interchange and back to Mauston on the other side of the interchange. Here is the overall schedule of the key aspects of the design and construction phases. The real estate acquisition process has begun. The final project plans and specifications are due November 1st, 2021 for bid letting in early 2022 for the work to be performed from 2022 through 2023. The above timeline shows the anticipated construction to be completed in each of the upcoming years. As stated earlier, Phase 1 construction is already underway in 2021 on the median temporary roadway and temporary structures on I-9094. Phase 2 will be completed in 2022, in which the eastbound I-9094 live traffic will be moved over to the temporary median roadway and bridges, while the eastbound permanent lane and bridges are constructed. Later in 2022, traffic is anticipated to switch over to the opposite side and median, which will allow the westbound I-9094 bridges to be built. In Phase 3, 2023 traffic will again be shifted over to the temporary median roadway and bridges, while the westbound permanent roadway and ramps are completed. In late 2023, the temporary median roadway and bridges will be removed and the permanent median will be restored to final conditions. As stated previously, the majority of the WIS 82 work is planned for one construction year in 2022 using staged traffic and lane closures. This concludes the public involvement meeting for this project. Comments on the proposed project are encouraged. Please provide your comments to one of the indicated contacts above by October 15th, 2021. As a reminder, a comment sheet is provided in the WIS.project website for download, as listed on slide 2 of this presentation. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation and have a great day.